test how you behave. So we have faced, devotee faced this situation. So that beloved, which is a pure devotee, learn from my Prabhupada, learn from Bhakti Siddhanta. So he teaches us that the best thing is you should know how to pray. It's not the official prayer, just to chant Hare Krishna every day. Sometimes, though, be careful when you are praying. As Sri Krishna. Here also you have to pray. What's not Bhagavatam? So many prayers.
गोपीकांतपुर साउंड ठीक है
So, devotees go through many situations. Please excuse my English. In the course of their spiritual life, that beloved comes Krishna topmost, and according to mentality consciousness of the devotee, Krishna comes as spiritual guide or spiritual master and lead him to Krishna, or spiritual father. And Prabhupada showed it. And those who associated with Prabhupada served him, they learned from him, try to fulfill his desire. So here, the many and the followers are here. Either here, around the world. This is very important time, very trying, or what shall I say, test Krishna is doing. How we are praying, feeling. As I find every day, few times, Maharaj's report, health report. As the devotees are praying, I hope Krishna responds, listen. That's why I see some, this 1 and 2 days, see some rays of hope, sin. So that day, yesterday maybe, some Maharaj's follower, maybe Guru Gauranga, asked Maharaj, Hare Krishna, Maharaj had opened his eyes and sent that photo. Before leaving also, to join, I saw Maharaj's photo giving lecture. Doesn't seem that health, he should go with that condition. But the devotees sometimes don't care, they depend on Krishna. In front of him, the goal to how to please fulfill the desire of Guru, spiritual master. Other things will be taken care of Krishna. Is good. So they take rest, take risk. I had this experience with Maharaj before also. A short time going to America, again coming and meeting him somewhere. I said, Maharaj, I'm shocked. See, this time came back so soon. I find the same, some of them. Other godmother I saw, others expressed concern this way traveling. But this is their nature. We should have a goal, ideal. Depending on our eligibility, adhikar, we try to fulfill depending on Krishna. Though we are praying, we don't know what Krishna's desire is. So far, the response we get and the result, Krishna seems to be responding favorably at you. What you expect. Don't think Krishna will be our water supplier. How much whatever we desire. Be prepared for that also. Expecting and how to ideally pray such moment. We saw when Prabhupada was in this moment. Just few days before 10 men, he said nothing. Prabhupada asked, sit down here and chant to one of his disciples. And he was asked, you go for this purpose, back to your place. So many things we can learn from this. He should have asked most for it. It's good, shall we go? So here is some of you are not with him physically, but his message is here that it should be your life and goal. Life and soul. That is Bani Seva. He is doing his duty. Though above duty is love, nature, you want him. This is very complicated, shall I say. And you see Krishna say in Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishna, who is a real lover, if you come from the topmost point, is Krishna book there, Gopi asked question. He told 3 types of person. This is very ideal. Let us go back to Prabhupada. If you love somebody, you should be prepared to give the highest price and follow it. And depending on persons, his love is shown by this. How much you can serve and sacrifice for him. Even some can take risk of life. So many situations come. Simply by serving his Bani, you can serve him best way, because you cannot have the chance always to serve him physically in his presence. You should take that. But when it is not possible, just to serve his Bani. So one should take the words of spiritual master very seriously as his life and soul. If you really love him, you should be prepared to give the highest price for him. Sometimes difficult. Not sometimes, most of the time. It depends on person. Going to school and same class doesn't mean everybody is same. It is in the test it shows. And also, we cannot know everything, especially Krishna's plan. So Indra, though he committed offense, he came to correct himself and to please him and praying. So prayer, whole Srimad Bhagavatam is full of prayer. Some of the topmost prayer. One is Kunti's prayer. I don't want to go detail of these intricate and subtle things that loved by Prabhupada. One is Gajendra Moksha. So many people in danger, they do that. But I will rather take ideal prayer, but Prabhupada, depending on time, place, circumstances. When disciple asks, Prabhupada is showing his affection to his disciple. Disciple is showing exchange. That is actually bhakti. Bhakti ultimately means love. Love means as sacrifice. This is only the gopis did. That is Sarva Dharma and Parityajya and others. And that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showed. That the Goswami showed. As far as my knowledge goes and teachings and training I got from Prabhupada, I have got that much ability to tell you. And telling that now, right now. I was also with Prabhupada. Last moment I couldn't stay, though Prabhupada wanted. So give more importance to his body. So he may not like it. He wants to be him physically. We don't know what Krishna's mind is there. Indra could understand Indra was not pleased. Indra was not sure that Krishna is pleased with his prayer. How can I? You can tell. You can only see he's getting better. I know. They said we are trying to wake him up. I saw his face looking. Seems very exhausted. But doesn't look like little fresh coming up. Because he's been under strong drugs and medicine. And it was very crucial time they took. From time to time, I have seen the report. That is the last one. I think Guru Gauranga Prabhu, with his picture I see, he gave the picture. I think he asked Maharaj, now Hare Krishna, he sound, the respond Maharaj didn't say, but opened his eyes. At once he took the picture. So from the picture, what I see, his face, just like, not like a person get up from sleep, look very fresh. He looks very much under medicines, reaction. Try to forcefully bring him up. It's a very crucial time. So the consciousness you are feeling, we are going to at present, I can feel, but we also had that when Prabhupada was in bed and it, taking only sometime fruit juice, hardly any milk, for some days. It reminds me those days. Some are there, some are not. Physically. A tense situation. It reminds me those things. So I can, to some extent, feel how you feel now. Anyhow. And when the devotee asked, how can you pray? And Prabhupada is telling you, that is ideal prayer. I don't want to get into all this. It depends on Udikar, how you pray, but this is ideal. But this much I can say, that from his, as I see him, he knows how to treat people and make him feel at home, near and dear. You should learn this. You really love him. How to help others. How to preach Krishna consciousness. Bring others to the lotus feet of Gauranga. Krishna. How much you are trying. Depends on your sincerity. Depends on your seriousness and determination. Because our goal is just prasada, Bhagavad prasad. Don't forget what I want, what I don't want. Am I pleasing my Guru? This is idea. This is Vaishnava Chakravarti Thakur said. Bhavasatika buddhi, to follow instruction of the Guru. You can please, if from the very beginning you do, you want to go back to Godhead, but at the same time, real Vaishnava things, I don't care whether I go back to Godhead. First concern is carry out the order of Guru. Bhavasatika buddhi, ekya purna. Prabhupada mentioned this many places. Krishna Chakravarti Thakur, one of the later verses of Bhagavad Gita, chapter 7. I don't want to go to Gopi's topmost thing. Now you ask yourself why you are situated. To become Vaishnava means pure devotee. It's not an easy thing. But if our goal is high, at least to some extent, at least chance, you can make more progress. Because you have to pay the price for that. There is the opportunity of that knocking to you. How much you love your Guru. I'm just repeating what I understood from Prabhupada and got trained. Liking this like this. And everybody has to go through this. Real father is one. You can give you this how to develop attachment. Let us say one stage of love of God. As far as I know, ISKCON from Prabhupada, it is the service to which you can do that. Service means what Guru asked you exactly what to do because of your nature. Everybody is different, individual being. So when you serious, you will ask the Guru, what you want me to do? And he will tell you. Here is a test now. You can ask yourself. Okay, I'm not getting this from the authority. This way to serve. Okay, what we are serving, go and distribute. Something like that I heard. Who cares for if you go to the spiritual world? Krishna won't ask you your designation. Krishna is your love for him. Yes? Yes. Love means, Baba said, Krishna wants to see how much you can go through or tribulation to carry out difficult task. What Guru asks you, sometimes very difficult. It is not whether you are successful or not. When you are successful, you accomplish it. When it's not, but I understand from Prabhupada. You do your best, you will know, and you will get the blessing. That is what is required. Not whether I am successful, whether I am pleased to. I must please his. And you get his blessing means Sankshiti Haritasana. Is Sakhathori. So now how you see him, that also depends. Accordingly, you get different person. Je Jathamam Prabhuddhante. As you surrender to him, the obedient Atma who manifested as Guru, he accepts his happy. And depending on the quality of surrender, he blesses him. He knows what is good for you, and accordingly he will offer you. Here is a time. You are facing this, and you have to go through this. So I am telling the ideal place. I am telling what Prabhupada told us. That is also. Ask yourself, where you find yourself fit. Other devotee has also gone through this. And everybody will go through. Prabhupada wanted us to become in the beginning perfect Brahmin. And he said, what is Brahmin? If he is a Brahmin, qualified, he can become other. Say Sannyasi Tyagi. He will be top deciding person who decide everything in our society. Top Vaishnava. He should set up example. Example means character. Brahmin means character. Vaishnava means character. And Prabhupada mentioned. You go back to Godhead, you could manifest all these characteristics. How? By simply doing service. Not artificially anyway. I've seen Maharaj wrote a book, Vaishnava Shishtachar. You can ask yourself how much you are following that. Of course, there are many followers. I'm not saying. Depending on time, place, circumstance. So Guru teaches all these things. If you really love Guru, are you following? Disciple means one who accepts discipline from Guru. If you chastise, it is a blessing actually. Otherwise, you cannot Give up your bad habit past and inclination. Next to impossible to give up and change one's character. That is Prabhupada wanted us. To build character, to become Vaishnava is not an easy thing. It's very serious. Maharaj, because of his background, as I see him and experience, he had association of Prabhupada, served him and teaching them to you and others how much you are accepting, putting into practice your body, mind, taking it in heart and words and molding your life. That is, I think, our real love for him. Prabhupada used to tell some of his disciples, don't forget, any day I can go away. I'm so old. Whatever you have to ask, ask. Intelligent disciples should ask this question. Though he is always present, physically, mentally, but is in instruction. One should take this life and soul. As I said, I'm repeating again. Sorry, same thing. Because these things are very important. And Krishna is in the heart. By the mercy of Krishna, we get Guru. Guru is the embodiment. I remember Prabhupada asked one of his disciples to do some of this work. He said, this is your work. And he asked about this. His divine grace. What will write? Translation. He remains silent, thinking, because of his association for a long time, different culture. So naturally, many instructions he gave him. And also, to do that work, he gave him many things. He remained silent. You tell. Anyway, later on we say, that's called Krishna Kripa Simurti. Embodiment of Krishna's Kripa. Other things cases. But is absolute. So here is this idea. Krishna's Kripa. And you cannot very cheaply get Krishna's Kripa. That is why he is called Guru. Guru means heavy. He will ask you something very difficult. Are you doing your best with all your sincerity and seriousness, which Prabhupada emphasized? And time will come. You have to go through so much test, take so much risk of life, or many others like that. So much tribulation, insult. Humiliation to fulfill the desire of God. Ask yourself. This is very important. This way you can understand our consciousness and how much we are loved. The manifestation of Krishna's mercy. Here is the time. So you are hearing. I heard also what my God brothers are telling me. And I heard some of them. And what I heard from my Guru and training and instruction. In that light, I am telling you, one is ideal and one is according to your adhikar, according to your eligibility. You can do. This way you can show your love. A Vaishnava is always there, according to Bhakti Vinod Thakur. And what Prabhupada says about his disciple. Read all those, everything I will tell. Time is short. These days my health is not that good, so I sometimes take seclusion. Just came. So it is good chance to discuss this. I don't know how much I am eligible. So I understand. As long as I live, I learn. In that mood, I am telling, especially what Guru said, and see others what they learn from Guru, and seeing that, and simply presenting it to you so you can see. And see yourself where you fit and how much you can serve your Guru. Through service, show your love for him. It's something one should deeply think. And your action, body, mind, will manifest it. Others see or not, Krishna is watching. সরঙ্গ শরণাগতি হইবে যাহার তাহার প্রার্থনা শুনে গোবিন্দ কুমার লক্ষ্মীনাথ ঠাকুর মানস দেহ দেহ যোগ কিছু কোন শরণাগতি প্রকাশ unless you are free from sin you cannot do complete shranagati. Are you doing our best? That's the question. We know each ourselves. Sometimes Guru means heavy. One is Loghu, one is Guru. It is very heavy. He'll ask you to. And thereby, your character will be changed. Otherwise, very difficult to change. Character means habit. Habit is the second nature. So, if I like or don't like, Sarasha Prabhupada once says, in Narad Muni's life also. And Prabhupada commented, one from the childhood days have been practicing this. For him, hardly any chance to be drifted away from this path. If at all for a short time, he'll again come back. Good chance those who want to become pure. And Prabhupada wanted all his disciples to become pure. Actually, they also want all their followers to become pure. Why not try to go back to Godhead by strictly following one who each and every instruction of the Guru. According to Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. In this very life, he can go back to God. Why did he hasn't done some aparadha? This is our goal as far as we are situated. In most cases, Prabhupada says, try to go back to God. Sometimes pure devotee don't like to go back to God, simply go on serving. Because for him, living in this material world or in the spiritual world, same, because he's living in the spiritual world, not in the material. He's aware, others may not. One is Australia, Melbourne, wrote Prabhupada. Is the word of Maya. I go out to do Sankirtan. Influence of Maya is so strong. Prabhupada said, you do not know. It may be your country. Actually, may not have realized. One day you will know that you are not in the material world. Though, from material point of view, you are in the material world. You have got your eye seat anointed. With the pulp of bhakti pure, you can realize you are in the spiritual world. There is Gopinath, there is Jagannath Baladev Subhadra, there is Gaur Nitai in your Melbourne temple. 24 hours devotees are engaged in hearing, chanting, going to Sankirtan, different activities, doing men, women. This is spiritual world, Vaikuntha. Vaikuntha, no kunta, no anxiety, no tension. A pure devotee can make Vaikuntha anywhere. By chanting, hearing, Harikatha and giving Matchitta, Madgata Prana, Bodham, Potan Chastmam Nittam. Krishna is saying, symptom of a devotee. And then, of course, floating. And then he's saying, Te Sham Satadiptanam, Bhajatam Priti Purvakam. Priti, is it official or is it official means obligation? I have to do. We can ask our consciousness, we know, is it obligation doing? or doing out of love. And according to Krishna, if it is Priti Purvakam, Dadami Buddhi Jolam, I give it. So if you are a liberated soul means Swarupena Bhavasti. Ideally, if your Swarup is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, being part and parcel of Krishna, our only business, I am nothing, only servant of Krishna. Yes? Servant of Krishna, more detail and means servant of pure devotees, best devotees, gopis. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught us. I want nothing, no condition, expectation, and nothing can stop me to achieve that. Only life after life ideal case. Now see how much you can. Here is the point. Krishna knows what is good for you, that is just like a father. Krishna is the real father. Pitaham. Sarvajonishu Kauntya Sambhavami. Something like that. Aham bija pradapita. Can anybody give beach? No. See, Krishna is giving seed. So Krishna's people to give you seed of lava, or a seed of bhakti. No? Guru Krishna Prasad Bhakti Lata beach. In one sense, Samachas beach, this means faith. If you don't have faith strong, that is the secret. Jasyadevi Para. One has got implicit faith in the words of God. God is infallible. Krishna. You don't fail, but you have faith. Prabhupada's story. You have to have faith. Krishna is Achinta Shakti. Otherwise, you cannot accept what he said. Krishna, 7 or 8 years old, little boy lifting Govardhan hill. How many people believe? Even devotees. But if you accept his Achinta Shakti, Narayana Parabhakta, Krishna, it doesn't come under the rule regulation, under this Prakriti. No, he is Nirguna. He is beyond all these things. So, for him to make Govardhan hill, no gravity, he can lift it. Zero gravity. He can lift it. For him, Ramchandra make the stone floating, zero gravity. He said, Jai Sri Ram. Ram required float, can be the stone bridge? No. Just to glorify his devotee. He is doing this. So if you want to please Krishna, please his pure devotee. Your devotee means to you first, Vaishnava is Guru. So you should know how to love him. And fulfill his desire, what he's trying to do. So he has taken the risk. Many God brothers would have loved him, would have said, Maharaj, stay for some few days. Then it doesn't look good. Anything could happen. Undesired. No, I have to go. Taking risk, why not be practical? I saw the picture. This happened to other devotees. He didn't ask and went, and he's attacked. Doctor saw behind him, why he went? He shouldn't have gone. He became victim. Yeah? He became victim. Another follower. Same happened. Doctor said, why let him go? Foreign country. He went away. And at once, within a short time, he's showing strange symptoms. He asked repeatedly, take medicine, he won't take. And after trying, asking, he took. He said, otherwise, it could be out of hand. Now this is case here. Almost. They cannot tell. It is out of their hand, some or other putting. Some rays of hope, I am saying. He's looking at. So, seem face exhausted. Wet. He's exhausted. And waking up from sleep, fresh. That means effect of heavy medicine. One sense good to see that to get the desired result, understand. So still, we have got to intensely pray, willingly pray. It has been seen by most of the devotee. Prayer is very powerful. You should pray from the core of heart. The quality of prayer you can see from our Acharya. When Prabhupada went to America, taking so much risk. As like father, like son, son had association learned, he also does that sometimes. So others may try to stop him. This is a test, quarrel of love between lover and beloved. It's a little subtle, you understand. That's why I mentioned so many ideal things. And I find Horijan, others, John, you are speaking. I cannot speak that way. Neither repeat what they say, but I appreciate what they say. But I tell from my life what I learned. I happen to be also with him quite some time and did something through silence. So everybody has to be Prabhupada expert. At least come to Uttamadhikari. Best guru is Uttamadhikari, who can give love of God. It doesn't matter. The disciple has to be ideal. The combination have got the result. So we should not pretend to what we are not. Be honest and act accordingly. Krishna did not tell Arjuna to chant Hare Krishna. But Krishna said, shoot your grandfather. Where is he guy? Who can hear? Shoot your grandfather, try to kill him. What he can. What to speak of Arjuna. But he has to do, because he is enlightened by Arjuna, Krishna. Krishna is enlightened by Arjuna. And he said, yes, Parisya Vachanam Tava. Same thing, he is showing how ideal disciple should be. And Krishna is showing ideal gurus. At once, chastise. How many of you here will accept chastisement favorably? Obedient disciple, he accepts it. The mild way. That's right. Recently, some time back, I was in Vrindavan, who was on quotation, I find. Liked it very much. Good for it. Once one sees, understands, realizes his insignificance. And is very meek and humble. Door of the spiritual world, mystery, opens wide to him. It's just love. And nobody wants to become humble and meek and think himself insignificant. Everybody wants to become just opposite. Yes or no? Yes. See, this is called character. So Prabhupada, again I will say, the early days Prabhupada said, this is a movement for building character to become pure Vaishnava. To become pure Vaishnava means, have you become pure Brahmin? But if you try to become pure Vaishnava, automatically Brahminical quality will come manifest. You don't have to try. How? Simply carrying out the order of Guru. That is Guru. Because he is acting in that way and teaching you that way. Are you taking it seriously? Please do. Then you become eligible to pray. And then Krishna will also accordingly see what you deserve. Otherwise, we don't know what is Krishna's plan. It may not be to your liking, but truth we have to face. Sometimes we have to tell the truth. Because otherwise, whether you like or dislike, everybody has to face the reality, which may not be always pleasant. We are expecting pleasant, but we cannot expect Krishna to be our word supplier. This is little complicated. So I am telling what is ideal, what is practical according to your where you are situated. I will tell what I learned from them. So I appreciate what others are saying, what Gurujan is saying. Likes these two brothers. Sometimes he say, I am going to Mayapur only to see these two brothers, the ideal brahmachari. There is no so much lusty. You see the river, how many you are dressing brahmachari, you think you are brahmachari. Don't mind, I am asking this. In the light of qualification of a brahmachari, ask yourself. If you are real brahmachari, Prabhupada said, maybe in one life you can make it, go back to God. You follow your instruction of Guru, how difficult it is. That is what Prabhupada said. What to speak of? Sannyasi, I don't think. I'm trying. What to speak of Guru? I have to tell the truth. It may be a little unpleasant, but it must be down to earth and practical. To know what we can expect from desire, from Krishna. Prabhupada said, you may desire something. Everybody has millions of desires. Everybody has desire. Ideal desires, I can serve you. Especially what Guru said and do. Difficult. So many material desire. Conditional surrender. Artificial surrender. Partial surrender. Don't expect, Prabhupada said. First desire, first qualify. Then at least first deserve, then deserve. Typical. That is the price we have to pay. This is something one should take very seriously. Oh, reminding me, time is, I think already was saying maybe in my watch, maybe 8 minutes. আমি কিছু বাংলায় বলি। দেখো এরকম একটা সিচুয়েশন, এরকম একটা অবস্থা বলবো না, পরিস্থিতি যা সকলকেই সম্মুখীন হতে হয় ভক্তি জীবনে, গুরু শিষ্যের মাঝখানে। একটা ভগবানের বলতে পারো পরীক্ষা শিষ্যের। গুরু ভগবানের স্বচ্ছ, প্রবাদ বলছেন, কেউ ট্রান্সলেশন করেছে স্বচ্ছ মাধ্যম, মিডিয়াম মাধ্যম, প্রবাদ বলছে ট্রান্সপারেন্ট ভায়া মিডিয়াম। প্রবাদ আস্কিং হোয়াট ইউ রাইট, সাক্ষাৎ হরি কি তার আর প্রকাশ স্বরূপ, ম্যানিফেস্টেশন অফ হিজ ভক্ত, ভক্ত স্বরূপ উনি ভগবান, সেবক ভগবান। গুরু সেব্য ভগবান, তিনিও ভগবান, ভগবানই প্রায়, কিন্তু তিনি সেবক ভগবান, ভগবানের সেবা করে ভগবানের মতোই পূজ্য। আমরা কতটা তাকে নিচ্ছি? থিওরিটিক্যালি বলছি, খেতাবি বিদ্যায় বলা, আর অন্তর থেকে তাকে সেভাবে গ্রহণ করা মানে কার্যক্ষেত্রে তার সঙ্গে ব্যবহার হিসেবে আদর্শ শিষ্য। মানে আমরা কেউ কে কোথায় ঠিক সেখানে যোগ্য নিজেকে আমরা জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারি, এবং সেইভাবে আমি ভগবানের কাছে আশা করতে পারি গুরুর ইচ্ছা পূর্ণ করে। ঠিক যেমন যেমন আমাকে সেবা দিয়েছে, আমি আদর্শটা করছি, সেই সম্পর্কে আমাদের আচার্যরা যা বলেছেন সেগুলো এই কতগুলো বিখ্যাত শ্লোক একটা হলো সাক্ষাৎ হরিতেন সমস্ত সমস্ত শাস্ত্রে বলছে তিনি সাক্ষাৎ হরি, হরিকে তো আমি দেখছি না, আমরা অধিকার যে হয়তো বিগ্রহ দেখছি, তার বাণী দেখছি, কিন্তু তার মূর্তিময় তার তার কৃপা মূর্তিময় বিগ্রহ হচ্ছে গুরুরূপে আসছে, তিনি পরমাত্মা থেকে দেখছে, এরকম এইভাবে এর কাছে এসে আমি শিক্ষা দিই। গরম রে একটু প্রভুপাদ একদিন বলছে আমরা যে হরিনাম করছি, কৃষ্ণের সঙ্গ করছি, আমরা কজন এই ভাব নিয়ে হরিনাম করছি কৃষ্ণের সঙ্গে আদর্শভাবে জানা উচিত। কৃষ্ণ আমার সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে বা বসে আছে, কৃষ্ণ আমার জিহ্বায় নৃত্য করছে, কিন্তু আমি ভবরোগগ্রস্ত রোগী অনুভব করতে পারছি না। যেমন জন্ডিসের রোগী, সে মিষ্টি খেয়ে তার মিষ্টতা অনুভব করছে না, কেননা সে তার ভাই আরেকজন, তার অসুখ হয়নি জন্ডিস, সে মিষ্টি লাগছে, দাদা মিষ্টি লাগছে, না রে আমারটা মিষ্টি। তাই ভগবান, আমরা বিধি ভক্তি করছি, ভগবান হরিনাম করছি, আমরা কি খুব সম্ভ্রমের সঙ্গে কৃষ্ণ আমার সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে আসলে তো, যেমন রাজা এসছে সামনে, আমি তাকে উপযুক্ত সিদ্ধ বসতে, তার সাথে খুব সাবধানে কথা বলবো এবং সম্ভ্রম ভয় মিশ্রিত শ্রদ্ধা করছি, সেরকম গুরুও কৃষ্ণের এই প্রকাশ, হ্যাঁ, তার মূর্তিময় কৃপার প্রকাশ রূপে এসছে, তাকে আমি সেইভাবে নিচ্ছি, সেরকম সময় ফলাই। আমি কি ধরনের শিষ্য নিচ্ছি, শিষ্য করা আসছে সহজ ধাতু থেকে, আদর্শ শিষ্যের লক্ষণ পূর্বক বলছে, আদর্শ শিষ্য হবে, আদর্শ গুরু হবে, সে এক জীবনে ভগবান কাছে যেতে পারে, ঠিক করে যেতে পারে, যে না নেগেটিভ সাইডটা বলছি, ভগবান কি বলছে, ওয়ান হু ইজ নট সেলফ কন্ট্রোল, ওয়ান হু ইজ নট, যে আত্মসংযম করেন, ইন্দ্রিয়গুলোকে সংযম করছে আর চেষ্টা করছে না, যে বাধ্য নয়, তার আজ্ঞা পালনকারী না, যে তার কাছে ওবিডিয়েন্ট, আদেশ পালন করে, আর যে সেলফ কন্ট্রোল, প্রাধান্য, আজ্ঞা পালনকারী এবং ডিসিপ্লিন মেনে নেয়, যা বলে নির্দেশ করছে, তার পক্ষে কঠিন তার আদেশ ঠিকভাবে পালন করা, তা না করলে ভগবত ধামে যেতে পারবে, আবার আবার আসবে। সে এগুলো আমি ঠিক আমার স্বভাবই তাই, প্রভুপাদ যা বলে সেগুলো কি বলছি, বলে গেছে। অনেক ক্ষেত্রে হয়তো খুব ভালো না লাগতে পারে, তা কেননা সময় কাল পাত্র বিশেষে অনেক কিছু বিচার করে অনেক সময় সারা পৃথিবীতে প্রচার করতে গেলে অনেক অযোগ্য লোককে অনেক সময় এই পথে আনতে হয় এবং কিছু শিথিল করতে হয়, আচার্য চলে গেল, সেই আদর্শ অনেকে হয়তো পারবে না, তখন মন্দের ভালো, বুরে সায়দা কা अच्छे इस्तेमाल, हिंदी राइट, हिंदी भाषी, बुरे सौदा का अच्छा इस्तेमाल, ठीक है, बेस्ट यूज ऑफ बैड बार्गेन। আমি ভালো হিন্দি জানি না, তবুও আমি বিদেশিকে হিন্দিতে আমাকে বলতে বলে বোঝে, क्या जी ठीक है, बुरे सौदा का इच्छे अच्छा इस्तेमाल, बुरे सौदा, सौदा बुरा बुरा बुरा, अच्छा बुरा, ठीक है, समझ जाता तो विदेश में आपको महाराज आप देश से आए, क्या आप हिंदी नहीं खा नहीं सकता, थोड़ा तो कह नहीं सकता, प्रयास कर रहा, यत्न कर रहा, कोशिश कर रहा, सब समझ जाता, आप बोलिए। क्या इंग्लिश में बताता आप देशवाली हो के स्पीक हिंदी बांग्ला খুব কম only second map in America New Orleans Atlanta New Orleans নিউ ইয়র্কে এর বাড়িতে সবাই এসে বসছে অনেক সময় আজ বাংলা বলি तो विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती ठाकुर ये भगवद गीता द्वितीय अध्याय में है अंत का साइड में दिशा में लिखा है कि भवसात्ति का बुद्धि एक ही हो बुद्धि में एग्जैक्टली जथारूप गुरु जैसे बोला ठीक वैसा थोड़ा उसको कोई बदलना कुछ भी नहीं बदलना चाहिए इसे करने से और नहीं चाहिए अच्छा अगर गुरु दुष्ट है गुरु चाहता ये भी प्रचार करे महाराज प्रचार किया इसे अच्छा वैष्णव होना है कुछ भी वैष्णव के साथ व्यवहार करना आचरण करना है किसी आदमी को अपना बनाना रिश्तेदार का माफिक बनाना इसको फैमिली का वो दिखाया वैष्णव का जो गुण है शिष्टाचार कैसे दूसरा वैष्णव उसका अपायन करना सादर स्वागत जनाना नहीं तो अपराध होता ये सब सीखना चाहिए जो जो सीखा वैसे कर रहा और वैसे ही हो इसलिए कोई ने वैष्णव ने कहा कोई मुनि ने 4 किस्म का आशीर्वाद दिया हर एक 4 किस्म का जो कसाई है उनको बोला माँ जीव माँ तुम जिंदा भी ना हो ना मर जाओ क्यों कितना जघन्य काम कर रहा विभत्स इसको जवाई कर रहा बकरी को गबुआ को कितना खून क्या था ये तो नरक का मालिक इसका अगर मर जाए तो उसका गति भी ऐसा ही होगा उसको भी ऐसा करेगा है कि नहीं इसलिए ऐसा आशीर्वाद जो राजकुमार है राजपुत्र चिरंजीव राजपुत्र मतलब ये तो अगले थोड़ा टाइम बाद पिताजी जब गुजर जाएगा हिंदी पूछो तो बंगाली ये राज सिंहासन में आरोहण करेगा है कि नहीं इसलिए सब उनको डरता इसलिए ये भी बहुत संभोग करता बहुत इंद्रिय संभोग करता काम संभोग सब डरता इसलिए इसका फल क्या होगा ये तो नरक गति होगा कुत्ता बनेगा क्या बनेगा भगवान जहाँ ज्यादा संभोग सुख है ज्यादा चाहता 1 घंटा में 3-4 दफे संभोग कर ये चिड़िया का आदत है शायद अगले जन्म में चिड़िया बने से डाक घुघू कबूतर बने से ये लोग नहीं तो दूसरा जो लखन है बंदर का देखा था तैगी वैरागी कपड़ा भी नहीं कोई निवास भी नहीं कोई निर्दिष्ट एक पेड़ से दूसरा पेड़ में जाता लेकिन इसका लक्ष्य क्या है और क्या खाता फल मूल मांस भी नहीं खाता बहुत सात्विक देखा था देखिए बहुत कामुक है घूम रहा एक दिन में 20-25 बंदी को संभोग करेंगे ऐसा भी आदमी है तो मान लो वो तो कॉन्शियसनेस अभी बंदर का हो गया टाइम का जरूरत है अगर जब शरीर त्यागेगा प्रकृति क्रियमाणानी पुनिकर्माणी प्रकृति काम कर रहा माया उद्धव सेना भगवान का ऑर्डर में उसका बोल रहा इसका जोनी में इसको डाल दो इससे वो ही संभोग करने से बंदर इस तरह देखो धाम में भी ऐसा चीज है इसका मतलब ये लोग सब भक्त तो था लेकिन साथ साथ ये सब हैबिट था इसलिए गुरु को पूछना चाहिए वो बता देगा है तुम धाम में मत रहो तुम शुद्ध भजन करो तुम धाम में है देखो क्यों। राजपुत्र चिरंजीव, मुनिपुत्र माँ जीव, माँ जीव, जिंदा मत रहो। वो कहते हैं मर जा, ये तो अभिशाप है। इसलिए अच्छे ढंग से कहना, जिंदा मत रहो। जैसे कोई को कहेगा तुम अच्छा से यहाँ से भागो, कोई पोलाइट से कह नहीं सकता, हम अकेला रहना चाहता, तो समझ जाएगा। बहुत मीठा बात से कर रहा, यस, समझ गया। ये सब पब्लिक रिलेशन है, कैसे बात करना है जानना चाहिए। इसलिए कहा कि आप साधु है, वैष्णव है, आपके लिए साधवो जीवो वा मरो। अब साधु है, वैष्णव है, अब जिंदा रहना और मर जाना कोई फर्क नहीं है, क्योंकि अब जिंदा है तो 24 घंटा सब चीज भगवान का मानस देहो गिरो जो कुछ मोर और पिलुतुआ पदे किशोर। हमारा जिंदगी है, प्राणोई अर्थोई धिया बाचा सब कुछ आपका चलन में है। आप ही हमारा, मैं हमारा अहम ममेती फिर मुक्त हो जाता। अहम, हम आपका नित्य दास है हे महाप्रभु। हमारा शरीर, धन, पत्नी, बाल बच्चा सब कुछ आपका सेवक सेविका है। हमारा धन दौलत घर बारी सब कुछ है, मैं हमारा सब आपका है। हम मैनेजर देखभाल कर। अरे टाइम इज ओवर। ऐसा भाव होना चाहिए। महाजन जन्म सब पंथा, ये हम गुरु से जो सीखा आप ये करने का लिए ये भक्ति करना परफेक्शन के लिए। हाँ तो ब्रह्मचारी है, उसको क्या पता नहीं, मर जा, अभिशाप है। ढंग से हे बाबा समझ आता, तो गलती होगा, कसूर करना बहुत मधुर है।